What's up, y'all? So today is Sunday. Let me put y'all through a little rant real quick. So before my camera dies, so if it cuts off, then that means my camera died. But anyways, I was supposed to get my hair done today, and I've been like messaging this girl off of Messenger or whatever, and literally an hour before I like sent her my address, because she's like a traveling braider or whatever, which I actually prefer to come to somebody rather than somebody come to me, but I didn't know that until after I booked her. Anyway, so literally an hour before I sent her my address so she could be here on time, this girl's talking about she has to wait for AAA because she has a flat tire. Now I know life happens, and I've been there, like not too long ago actually, when me and my mom were, when I was driving my mom's car. But y'all, she's like, I was like, okay, well I don't mind waiting, because like my whole day was based off of me getting my hair done. So if we're gonna be like 2 hours behind, like that's fine. And she just kind of like insinuated like, let's just reschedule, like are you free tomorrow? I'm like, no, I work on Mondays, like regular normal schedule, like most people. I work Monday through Friday, I have Saturday and Sunday off. And she's like, yeah, are you free tomorrow morning? Like I could do you in the morning. I'm like, no, like I gotta go to work. Long story short, she was like insinuating like, oh, I could just transfer your deposit for when you book next time. I'm like, no baby, run me my money, because Hairstylist got one time, unless I went to you multiple times, y'all got one time to cancel on me or make it an inconvenience, especially when it comes to my hair. Like I have some things coming up and I really need my hair done. So this is why I don't be going to too many new people. Like I got my girl that does like straightens my hair, does like my natural hair. I haven't really found like a solid braider, and so that's why I've been bouncing around. And this is usually when it happens, is when I'm trying to get my hair braided, when stuff happens. And so now my hair is all blow dry. Gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with it tomorrow, because yeah, it's blow dried and puffy. So I was planning on my hair being done. I booked this other girl, so I'll be having another appointment on Tuesday, and she seems reliable. She already sent me the address and my little $25 deposit. And mind you, this girl wasn't trying to give me my deposit back. She's like, it could be transferable, and I'm like, no sis, run me my money. Like if I want to book with you again, I don't mind paying that deposit, but no, run me my money. Which she did, but I was just like, what's the back and forth for? Like, give me my money. Unless I canceled on you, like sure, keep the money, but no, you made it an inconvenience for me. What's up, y'all? So today is Tuesday, and your girl's about to get her hair done. I'm super excited because, as y'all know, last time I was supposed to get my hair done on Sunday, and I had a terrible experience because this girl canceled on me. So I had to leave work today to come to this other girl, because like I said, you got one time to cancel on me unless I've came to you multiple times. So I got this one girl, and she looked like she has good work on Instagram, so hopefully she slays me. But I'm not gonna record, so I guess I'll just catch y'all after. It's currently 2 o'clock, and this style looks like it's gonna take some hours, so pray for me as I sit in the seat. But I'll catch y'all after. I can't wait to show y'all my hair, because I've been wanting braids for so long, so hopefully it looks cute on me. And I blow dry my hair too. What's up, y'all? So this is my hair. I got the boho knotless braids, and I love them so much. The lady was super cool. So glad she could do my hair. After that experience I had on Sunday, I was like so nervous, because I was like, I need my hair done for my trip. But I love it. I've never gotten knotless before, so this is all new to me. And it's, you see the scalp, and these are so light. Like I slept just fine. Like my camera's finna die. We leave tonight, so I got so much stuff to do. Yeah, I got so much stuff to do, so I'm gonna be vlogging and taking y'all along with me. I plan to get a pedicure after work. I already did like travel size shopping, so we're pretty good on there. But I need to get me a This lighting is terrible. I need to get me a braiding bonnet, so I have to go to the hair store because I don't have one. So yeah, but love my hair. Couldn't get my lashes done because that girl canceled me on Sunday, so I have to get my hair done on Tuesday. And my lash appointment was on Tuesday, so it is what it is. As long as we got the hair. I kind of like my, I've kind of been liking my lashes natural anyway, so it's fine. But they are bothering me because they are grown out. But I'll catch y'all in a little bit. And of course we went with white for a vacation. My toes look a little funny in this lighting, but you see the vibe. And we are all packed, y'all. I am in such a rush. Literally only had like 30-40 minutes to pack all this stuff. We also, I'm recording on my Canon, obviously, but we got a new lens for our new baby, so it's lit.